There was a big argument between Yann LeCun. He is running his own company, but he was one of the developers at Facebook who's leading stuff from memory. He says the leap to AGI is based on world models. Demis Hassabis, head of Gemini at Google, says it's going to be LLMs is going to be a major component, if not the secondary component. Maybe it's world models, but he's just not stating it that way. So there's a bit of an argument in the direction that everyone thinks the world of AI, and once we get to super intelligence, AGI, whatever you want to call it, what that looks like, what that means, it will be dependent on, well, these guys are driving the industry at the moment. I think they're the top big names that are pushing everything and in the actual research of everything as well. So the world models, there was an impressive demo there last week that came out where you can watch some of the videos. It looks like it's rendering a game in real time. So you can drive on like a Hot Wheels course, quite slow, quite buggy. First, like a decent version of what's come out, but we've mentioned before, world models help train robots interact with the real world. So if you can get a model, a 3D world built that represents the real world, then you can put a training for a robot in that world to simulate things. So then when it goes into the real world, it knows what to do. So having that true digital twin makes a huge difference in the iteration and the speed of being able to train these AI systems to be able to go upstairs, open doors, grab things off a table with their fingers and things like that. Like, that's how these big improvements will happen, rather than having to then physically build robots to do this in the real world, because that will be quite slow. It'll be limited to physical environments and the time it takes to do something, rather than the quick iterative loops inside of an AI training cycle. Then the other criticism from Yann LeCun was all the demos that we've seen with robots at the moment, they are demos where the actions and what you're seeing is scripted. It's a set demo video, like it's something that is just remaining there, that is programmed, pre-choreographed. It's not a robot doing something on its own and investigating the world and defining how to do it. Picking itself up, yes, if it falls, that's going to be ad hoc effectively, but the rest of the demo is something that they've pre-scripted and built. And then we even heard, like last year with Optimus robots, that there was someone remotely controlling them in the background. I think that's even the case with another robot that was meant to be launching towards the end of last year.